everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Let's start a new lesson. Italian practice lesson number 10. Italian question you should know. If you want to learn something, you all need to practice it every day in your daily routine. Let's practice your Italian with me today. Quando apre? Quando apre? When does it open? You can ask anyone about a shop, about an office, about a clinic. You can ask someone, Quando apre? When does it open? And then you can do whatever you want. Quando apre? When does it open? When does apre open? Quando chiude? Quando chiude? Quando, when does, chiude, close. Apre, open, chiude, close. You can remember these questions today, okay? Quando chiude? When does it close? Chiude, close. Apre, open. Quando, when does. This is the most common question you can ask. In the hospital, in the restaurant, at the airport. Dove il bagno? Where is the bathroom? Dove? Where is the bagno? Bathroom. Dove il bagno? Next one is you can use at the shopping center. Quanto costa? How much does it cost? Quanto costa? How much does it cost? You can ask the shopkeeper about the price of that thing, okay, which you want to buy. Quanto costa? How much does it cost? Next one is about time. You can ask time to anyone. Che ore sono? What time is it? Che ore? What time sono is it? What time is it? Che ore sono? You all need to remember these questions if you are all planning to visiting Italy. Che ore sono? What time is it? Let's move on to our next question. Mi più aiutare? Could you help me? You can ask a policeman or any other person from which you want to help. Mi più aiutare? Could you help me? Mi più aiutare? Help me. Aiutare, help. Mi più, could you help me? If you all liked the video, then must subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto.